Welcome back to Caribou Data Science Channel. This is Sunday, September 13th, 2020. I'm just getting to run my data report for the great state of Ohio, the Buckeye State, the home of the Ohio State University, and the Ohio State Buckeyes football team. So let's just see what's going on in the state of Ohio now. Okay. Cases and the 14-day moving average. We had a decline here, but it looks like the 14-day moving average may be catching up to the 14-day average here. This spike here almost caught this one, but so the downtrend hopefully will correct itself and continue down starting tomorrow. Let's take a look at deaths. Okay, you can see that the deaths are averaging between maybe 5 and 40 per day. The moving average is right around 20 per day. Let's take a look at some weekly numbers now. You can see cases spiked up last week, but then it looks like we'll probably, if this is this week and it's Sunday, we'll catch them. We'll most certainly catch last week's numbers at some point today, at some point this week. Deaths are holding steady at about, say, 150 per week, which is pretty high actually which is more than the population of the state of Israel. That's an interesting question. How can we compare the state of Israel? Let's see something here. 8.6 million. Oh, wow. Interesting. So the state of Ohio has a larger population by about 3,000 than the nation of Israel. That really puts things in perspective for us, I think. Okay. See cases spiked again last month in Israel in Ohio. There's a good chance we'll catch cases again. Deaths spiked up about 600 in Ohio last month. We're not quite halfway there yet. We still got 2 weeks to go. Means what about the top 5 counties? Let's look at this. Counties by population. Franklin, Cuyahoga, Hamilton, Summit, okay, let's skip Summit County, which could mean that it's not doing alphabetically, which is good. Which also means it's good for Summit County. Take a look at Franklin County's numbers. Spiked up. Now it's starting to spike again. Deaths. Good news is deaths will continue to remain low per day in Franklin County. Okay, so let's run this report from the top here real quick. Do a update the GitHub page, and then we'll move on to the next report. Needs to say this report comes without any guarantee for accuracy or usefulness. It's just something I use to try to understand what's going on in the U.S. and around the world as far as COVID-19 numbers. So we'll update this. I just did it. All righty now. Thanks so much for stopping by with me in the initial high report. We'll catch you in the next report. Have a nice day.